Let's rock and roll. Hey, Carrie, so nice to have you here.
So nice to be here, Rosane. I'm so glad I got to meet you in person. Well, over Zoom, but kind of in person.
So you are in Houston, right?
Yes, I'm in Houston now. I'm getting ready to move to Manhattan Beach in California, which has been my 5-year dream. And I'm down to the last 3 months, so that's super exciting.
So tell me, let's go straight to the subject. How do you do to shift from when you are blah to HOORAH?
Well, I thought about this, and it was interesting because I actually had a blah kind of moment on Monday, and I was feeling a little like worry and that kind of thing cycle going and kind of feeling a little blah. And immediately, without even consciously thinking about it, I went to create something new. And I think for me, what really lights me up and makes my soul kind of shine is helping other people or myself just creating something, like creating a program or creating a guide to something or great. And if it's not for me, even just reaching out to one of my fellow coaches or somebody I know who has a dream and is trying to create something, that lights me up. And spending, even if it's an hour or two, just helping them brainstorm, think of the name or tagline or how they can execute something creatively, that's what really shifts me. And all of a sudden I'm feeling in my total zone and zone of genius and feeling so super pumped and excited. And then I forget all about why I was feeling blah. So that's how I shift, is being creative, creating something either for me or helping somebody else create something.
I hear you, Carrie. Actually, what you do is help people putting their dreams out there, right? Really work on dreams, and that excites you. And then even if you're feeling blah, when you start looking at the possibilities of creation, you get excited and the mojo comes back and you are, hooray!
Yes, totally. It's always about how, creating something that pumps somebody up and truly seeing them excited about their own idea and seeing that it can actually happen. So yeah, and also thinking about the what ifs. What if we did this? What if I did that? Instead of thinking, well, what if this doesn't work? When
right.
It's like, well, what if it does? Or what if
so the vision of the possibility of what can happen after we create this excites you. I love that.
Yes, for sure.
Awesome, Carrie. So now to wrap up the video, what is your favorite quote that you'd like to share with us today?
Oh God, that's so tough because I have to, but I think the one that I've lived my life by is, I think it's a Chinese proverb, and I think I might have pulled it out of the Alchemist or one of those books, but it was like, if you don't like the direction, if you don't change the direction you're headed, you'll end up where you're going.
And it makes me remember Alice in Wonderland, right? If you don't know where you're going, the cat says, yeah, and the road will take you there.
Right.
Carrie, thank you so much for sharing this information with us. And I hope that you are hearing this and you practice being creative, because who knows, that's how you shift from blah to HOORAH. Namaste, Carrie.